I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Guess I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good when I'm alone, hey. Leave me in the studio, hey, wait. Daily self-discovery, yeah, hey. Holiday recovery, wait. They love them instead of me.
Dorothy Explorer. Here she is again, coming at you. Dave Irwin here, coming at you from the Cambodian forest.
You want a stick?
I've got no hands. There's another stick here if someone wants one.
No, it's okay.
So today's antics, trekking through Cambodian jungle, I guess this is.
It's like Karakoram Mountain or something.
There's going to be a lot of this.
England. Uh-oh.
What?
He walked into a big spider web. You see it?
Giant spider.
What's your name? This what, sorry? G.
You?
I'm Boo. This is Mitch. Boo and Mitch, yeah. This is G, Mitch.
G?
You do this every day, G? This is your job?
It's a good job.
Hard.
Hard.
Very hard. I can do this every day. Me too. I can't wait to drink in a waterfall.
Literally, don't get more wilderness than this. So we've just been informed that there's vipers in here, and G's looking out for them, but he's asked us to look out for him as well because sometimes he misses them. What colour are they, G?
What colour is the vipers?
Yes, same ground.
Oh, the same colour as the ground.
Oh, brilliant.
That too. So hot. I'm glad I'm walking at the front though, so I can set my own pace.
Yeah.
God, you're dripping. Why don't you dip that in it? It's gonna be cold on your head. Is it cold?
Warm.
Allemaal. Wel, dan is het voor ons aan erin. C'est nous qui c'est vraiment évité. Mais t'as pas le choix si tu vas aller sur les îles.
Oui, au moins pour.
There is a spider. Okay.
Use the stick. Where is it?
Yeah.
Under.
Absolutely dripping. Whoa. Come on, girl. This is intense. Is this the waterfall? But dry season, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're always at the top. Careful. All I can say is it best be worth it at the top. I am dripping. A lot of this is water though, I'm not that much of a sweater. Okay.
We made it.
We made it to the top and it's somewhat worth it when you look at these views.
I'm going to say it again. It's absolutely beautiful. We made it! Oh. Hard? Tough, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Thank the bloody Lord for that, man. You know, it is absolutely beautiful up here, but if you paid me £1 million to do that again, I would definitely not. Oh my god, you have to get me in there.
Wow. So this is literally like a little pool. Because it's dry season, it doesn't all rush down this little river that we've just came down. It's just all sits at the bottom of this waterfall here. And this is probably close to like drinking water.
I'm off in.
Switching to GoPro. The fish are biting me. I'd love it if these fish stopped biting my feet. He's sliding.
Don't bomb. Did you hurt yourself?
It's fresh water though.
Honestly,
Yeah. Oh, this is off on YouTube. A little thumb in the water. Don't fall. No, don't.
yeah. I keep slipping now. Now you're a little thumb in the water.
Like you can tell the difference between swimming and saltwater.
Yeah. This is like fresh. You're like King Kong. Should have bought the soap. That must have hurt. Did you eat your bum?
Landed on my feet.
I feel like I look like a little puppy in the water.
Definitely. How's the water?
Amazing. Slippery.
After that amazing experience, G is now cooking us dinner. Not sure what we're having, but it looks like there's a lot of vegetables. So I hope there's a bit of meat, and there's a bit of pineapple there as well, which I'm not too keen on, but should be good. Wilderness food, isn't it? Like cooking it outdoors,
Yeah, it's
cooking
got
it
a little
outdoors.
stove over there
Yeah,
that's going on. He's
amazing.
using like the fresh water from the waterfall as well.
Is he really?
Yeah. He's got like a little bucket over there that he keeps like getting the fresh water from the waterfall for. Bless him.
Incredible. This is his only job, so I imagine he has busy periods, and but I wonder who takes the majority of the money.
This is that eco-tourism thing as well though, like if G didn't work doing this for like the tourists, not many come here, but if G didn't work doing this, then he'd have no other option than to like poach animals and like do something that affects the environment, which is awful really. So we felt quite strongly about investing our time and money into it. I think it's a good cause.
Et en fait, c'est un poisson.
Je fais quoi? Je fais 2 cuillères.
Bah ouais, il ressemble à un poulet.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, not so much.
Okay? Less?
Oh
là
là.
Spoon?
Ah. Oh.
Rice is good.
I believe he's managed to make that up here.
Cheers, everybody.
Bon appétit.
How would you say in Cambodian?
Hot bye.
Hot bye. Hot bye.
Nhầm nhầm.
Yum, yum.
What a place to just contemplate life. So to be fair, that food wasn't actually that bad. Everyone left their feet though, even G. But I think now we are gonna make our descent and travel back down. But I think we're off a different way this time, so I should see some different things. Oh, it's better. It's alright in a straight line, isn't it?
Ah, disons les...
Honey bear.
Des ours de...
Yes.
Good hand bit.
That'd be great.
Whoa.
The rain's coming. The aftermath.
Exhausted. What's wrong with me?
Exhausted. Glad we did it and glad we got through it though.
Are they raindrops?
Wow, wow, wow. You don't make it out yet. No. What an incredible day, honestly. That was definitely up there, one of the greatest days we've actually had travelling. Got caught in a thunderstorm on the way back, which was literally insane. It was lightning hitting like the islands right next to us, and then huge bangs and stuff like that. Caught a couple of it on the GoPro, but absolutely knackered now. I think we're just gonna lie down. Oh, and one more thing as well. We've actually changed our plan. Our second destination after here, we was going to go to Chi Pat, but with that close to the Thai border, that we've actually rerouted ourselves, and we're actually going to go to Bangkok tomorrow morning, 2 p.m, and we travel for about 8 hours, so we'll arrive in Bangkok at night, which will be pretty insane. We're going to spend about four nights there, maybe?
I think so, yeah.
4 nights. So yeah, that is literally the beauty of travelling and not having like it all planned out, and this is why we didn't want to plan it out, is because we're that close to the border. We thought, why not? We weren't sure about Chi Pat, and we've just diverted, and we're going to go across to Bangkok, spend some time there, and then come back over to Cambodia and then continue our plans. But yeah, honestly guys, thank you so much for the support as well, because the feedback we've had back from everyone is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much. Continue to watch, keep liking and subscribe if you haven't. See you later.
Bad days, there's a lot of bad days.